Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out.
Good doggy.
Welcome back to another unboxing or unenveloping video today. We have something from PATCHWORKS and some possibly controversial history involved with these reproduction patches, so we're just going to go ahead and open them up and you can make your own decisions. These are some notes I've made because there's no way I'm going to be able to read and remember everything. Let's get you out of the way, thank you. And let me get a opening device. Remember to always cut away from you to avoid unpleasant accidents, and always make sure you have a clear cutting path so you do not damage your items. Not that it's ever happened to me, because I tried to be very careful. So, let's put away our cutting device and keep our hands free. Okay, so let's see if I got them, how these are laid out. I'm getting some resistance in opening this. It's just a manifest. Okay, the items themselves are here. Just have a camera view. Here's our manifest, which is actually a sticky label, so I don't need this anymore. I'm getting rid of that. Okay. So let's start with the non-controversial ones. We have a tonk patch, and I believe I'm paraphrasing because I didn't write down the description for this one, but theirs was "Don't ask how it works, just roll with it," I think was something along the lines of their description. So the tonk, see, this one, by the way, it does come with a backing, so you can, if you don't have a Velcro backing, whatever you decide to attach this to, you can always actually sew the Velcro backing or hook and latch backing and then attach it directly. Very flush fit then. This one is a CSP mission patch. So you can look it up on their website for the full description, but there you have their little cicada up at the top there. And I'm sure there's some significance to the number of stars. That's typical in these type of patches. I'll let you guys figure that out on your own, a little research. And we're slowly getting away to the controversial ones. So, no way around it. Laying them out in no particular order. We'll start with this one. This one came up under the anime section. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it correctly, but if that was a C, that would be Cerberus. But this one starts with a K, so it's Kerberos. But you can figure that out on your own. Look it up. Again, PATCHWORKS is the source for all of these today. Let you look at that for a second. Put that down. Took a lot of notes. Nothing leaping out at me at the moment. Nope. Alright, so I'm going to go with one of the round ones here. Okay, I did pick the right one. Alright, here we go. So this one would be Army, Republic, Serbia. This one 5th Kozara Light Infantry Brigade. So this would be used by supposedly Serbian infantry support battalions. So feel free to look up the history behind these organizations on your own. I will not discuss them because there is some controversial history behind these. These are reproduction patches, not originals. Garda Panteri Brigade patch. Arkan Tigers, perhaps? No. Yeah? No. No. Garda Panteri, the Panther. Nothing to do with that other one. Let's not mix them up now. Get in trouble. This is Arkan Tigers. Serbian Volunteer Guard. Supposedly, again, also Arkan Tigers. So feel free to look up the history behind those organizations. There is some controversy behind those. And these all came from PK Patchworks. This has been a quick unboxing on envelope video. Feel free to check out other ones on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on more specific topics, as well as curios for the curious, more artsy style objects, and some book reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.